Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2017 Toyota Camry and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. With that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all we need to do is just apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So once we finish prepping the headlight, now we can start with the installation. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film to the headlight, and we're going to start by aligning it on this section of the headlight first. So first we need to make sure we align it here. So apply Tack Solution underneath the film, and after we apply Tack Solution, make sure it's aligned right on the edge here. Hold it in position with one hand, and then with the other one start tagging it down to secure it. Once we secured this section, all we need to do now is keep aligning the film as we stretch it to the other end. So just apply a Slip Solution on this section just in case the film did get dry. Place it down, stretch it to the edge, and once you have it on the edge, we're going to apply Tack Solution. That way we can start tacking down the film. Have it up to the edge, apply Tack Solution on the top of the film, and then start tagging it down to secure it. Make sure to keep it aligned. Hold it in position as you're squeegeeing to tack it down. Make sure we have it aligned here. Apply Tack Solution, keep it aligned, and start tacking it down to secure it. Make sure to remove all the solution that may be trapped underneath the film here. And if the film did move, just lift it back up carefully. Apply Slip Solution and a little bit of tack. That way we're able to tack it down while we're stretching it. And this is so we can remove the fingers that are located here. So hold it in position, apply Tack Solution, and tack it down. What you can do also is hold it, grab a heat gun, and apply heat on this area. That way the adhesive is able to activate faster. Let it cool off, apply Tack Solution, and tack it down one more time. And because it did move here, we're going to bring it back down and tack it down with our Tack Solution. So apply Tack Solution on top and on the bottom, shift it back down, and tack it down from the middle and work your way downward. And now to remove the fingers here in this middle section, all we need to do is apply Tack Solution on top and on the bottom. Grab your heat gun and apply heat, that way we're able to shrink the fingers. And make sure you're bringing the film down to cover the lower section here. So hold it as you're applying heat. Grab your squeegee and your microfiber towel. Make sure you're still holding it and start tacking it down to secure it. That way we're able to remove these fingers and keep it aligned still on the bottom section. And you just repeat this process until you remove all the fingers. So once you finish with the whole installation, the last thing to do is to pulsate the entire film. So just apply Tack Solution to the headlight, and you're going to apply heat evenly throughout the whole headlight. That way we help the adhesive activate faster, and as we're applying heat, we're going to help it tack down with our microfiber towel, and also remove any solution that might be trapped underneath the film. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2017 Toyota Camry. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you're missing any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.